Welcome to 295 Rock Hill Church Road in the private subdivision of Windsor Forest. This magnificent colonial is located on 1.5 acres with over 3,000 square feet. Join us on a tour today. The heart of the home is the kitchen. This is your modern gourmet chef's dream. We have granite countertops, a gas cooktop, double oven, built-in microwave, and just wait a second, this phenomenal walk-in pantry. Off your kitchen is this beautiful 2-story family room. With 8 windows, the sunlight just beams through the entire main level. The new owner will love the primary bedroom. It's actually on the main level, right next to your 2-story foyer. Now, something I want you to see is all the attention to detail that was made in this glorious primary suite. The new owner will enjoy the double sinks, the amazing shower that has dual heads, and you have a soaking tub. There is no lack of space in your primary closet. The new owner will also have an additional bedroom on the main level. Off of your foyer is your dining room. The upstairs of this home includes 3 additional bedrooms, walk-in closets, and a hall bath with its own water closet. The lower level unfinished walkout basement includes a rough-in and plenty of space. An additional feature of this unique home is this large storage shed on your 1.5 acres. We hope you enjoyed the video. Please reach out to the Nellis Group for your own private tour.